All right, we got a Chrysler right here, Concorde 2.7 from 01 to 04. This body is the same thing. This is a 2.7, I believe the same thing as the 3.5. You got a engine light right there. Evap emission P0440 right there. Okay, kind of read it a little bit online. The sayings that there's a leak on the line. So let's go check it out. You guys seen this tool before? This thing is game changer. You have to have one of these in your shop if you're doing this work on your vehicle or someone's vehicle. So here's the purge solenoid right here for this 2.7. This is your purge, and then there's a line coming from the intake. It goes into the purge. From purge, line go back to the fuel tank. There will be a chart right here. It's nice to have a chart from the intake line to the purge going back to the tank. Okay, so I took this line out already, kind of blow it, and then I put a smoke on that line. There's nothing in there. It's nice and sealed. I command the scan tool to open and close this purge solenoid. It did open and close. It dropped the pressure right here, so you know that there's no leaks. It's working, doing the on and off switch. So now I took out this other line from the purge solenoid and then put a smoke detector right there in that line and smoke this whole thing right here. From the purge down here, smoke the whole thing. So it's right here now. See how that line right there, and then line for my smoke detector. So we're gonna pressurize the system with the smoke, and then it goes run to the existing line underneath the vehicle all the way to the gas tank. And then sometimes this thing is gonna be faulty as well, but let's wait for a minute here, and let's take a look under the car. All right, so it's been running for a couple minutes. Just double check, make sure no leak down here, no smoke coming out. Underneath the car, anything down here, no smoke. The back. Alright, I see a smoke right there. That's like above the fuel tank. It's probably the canister or the vent solenoid somewhere that is above the fuel tank right there, smoky. I don't know if you can see it, but the gas cap is fine. It's nice and tight, no smoke coming out. Definitely down here somewhere. It's hard to see because there's that wind blowing the smoke out, and it's hard to see where's the smoke coming from. On this side you can see it nice and clear right there. Yeah, right there guys, found the leak. So this is gonna be a big job. I'm gonna have to drop this tank shield, plastic one, in the tank. And I'm not sure if there's an access in the back seat on the cushion, if there's a door in there that you can take a look. I doubt it, because mostly Japanese vehicle have those easy access to open up your fuel tank. All right, that's it. The area that leaks is on the back right here somewhere. Let the guy know, tell him now what's going on to fix that engine light. We're gonna have to fix that leak. It's not gonna disappear, that engine light, unless you do a work. All right, so just gonna have to put this back together here. Take out this smoke. All right, look at that. They're just smoking. Should have been look like that if there's a leak right here somewhere. That's it. That's how you find out that a P0440 on this Concorde. It's same thing with the other vehicle. If you have that code, it means that there's a leak somewhere on the line. Could be under the hood, under the vehicle, above the fuel tank, or the gas cup. That's it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys again in our next one.